Hi guys, this is Irfan here with smartyincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about Gold EA Incubator and in general Forex expert advisors. What are Forex expert advisors and how do they exactly work? So first of all, guys, I already have a video that what is exactly a Forex expert advisor, and you can check it out. But in this video I'm gonna go a little bit deeper than what I did in the previous video. So guys, Forex expert advisors stand for Forex EAs stand for Forex expert advisors, and as you know, they actually analyze the market for you and they take a trade on your behalf. So there are multiple expert advisors and trading robots. The first type is that we have fully automated expert advisors that, as I said, they analyze the market, they take the trade for you and they close them in profit, versus semi-automated Forex expert advisors that they actually analyze the market, they give you a signal, and then you manually enter the trade. And the second type of Forex expert advisors that I'm just talking about are mostly indicators. There are some indicators that you just install it on your trading view account or your MT4 account, and they actually, as I said, analyze the market and they tell you where to buy and where to sell. They're not super accurate, and you need to be present behind the charts all the time to see where and when they give you signals to buy or sell. Whereas fully automated expert advisors, you just turn them on and then you can turn them off whenever you want, and they analyze the market, they have their built-in strategy, and then they open the trades and close them in profit. It's super simple, and this is exactly what I'm personally using, which is Gold EA Incubator. So Gold EA Incubator, guys, if you don't know what it is, it's a fully automated Forex expert advisor that only trades gold, and it actually can give you 8% to 25% profit every single month, sometimes more than that. We've seen up to 40% profit in really good months, but in like average months, like holidays, 8% to 25% is really normal. That actually can happen. As you can see on our website, we have tons of testimonials. So many people have used it, and if I want to show you my VPS account, it's gonna look something like this, and this is what Gold EA Incubator is. So I have so many videos for Gold EA Incubator. If you watch my live trading sessions, I always talk about it, that how much profit it makes and how it performs. You can also check out live results on my FX book. I'm gonna leave a link exactly below in the description. Go check it out. You can also join our free Telegram channel that I put out daily EA updates there, so you can actually see how much profit it's making on a daily basis, plus our free Facebook group that I highly recommend you to join. There are tons of free valuable contents there. So this is how it's performing, guys. If you want to make sure that something is whether something is actually performing or not, you need to check their My FX Book account. My FX Book account is an ultimate solution if you want to build trust, or if you want to have trust in something and you want to make sure that it's working properly. Because the thing is that there's so many scammers out there, there's so many bad robots that actually blow up accounts, not in the first day, not in the second day, probably after 2, 3, 4 months. So you gotta make sure that everything is going good, there's a long track record, and you actually trust that system, and there's any kind of guarantee in it. For example, this is a brand new account that we recently started Gold EA Incubator on in January 21st, and today is February 10th, and it's made over 8% profit in less than a month. So that's a really good thing about Gold EA Incubator, guys. The thing is that it's not usual. Sometimes it makes more, but this month is February. We had so many important news in the beginning of the month, and I installed this robot at the end of January. So 8% so far. It's a really good thing. You can go check out the history to see how many trades it's taking on a daily basis and how long it's actually holding them. So it's very cool, guys. That's why I connected it to my FX book. Feel free to check it out and you're good to go. So the second thing is that how can you install Forex expert advisors on your MT4 account? So it's super simple. So first of all, I have a video for that, Gold EA Incubator full installation guide. I'm gonna put a card above this video. Go check it out if you want. That video shows you everything, that how to install any kind of Forex expert advisors and how to use them properly. So the first thing you need to do is just downloading the set files that the provider gives you. So mine is gonna look like this. If you grab your license from my website smarteaincubator.com, you're gonna receive this folder that looks like this. You need to unzip it, and then you receive 3 different files. So we have MQL4, we have experts, indicators, and presets. So in experts, you can see Gold EA Incubator that you just drag and drop to your MT4 account. As I said, I'm not going to show it here because I have a separate video for that. Feel free to check it out. We have indicators, the same thing. This indicator is a really effective one since it analyzes the news for you and it stops trading 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after any kind of news. And this is how it exactly works, because in my opinion it's a huge advantage to have such a thing in your tools to preserve your capital and make more profits in long term. And we have presets. Presets is a really cool one. I personally like it. Low risk and mid risk. It depends on your choice, and that's which one you want to go for. I personally go for mid risk because this is something that I always prefer, and it gives me a really good profit because I actually trust the strategy that this Forex expert advisor is using. That's why I'm totally fine to go for mid risk preset, and it's very simple to install it on your MT4. It's just a drag and drop process, nothing crazy is going on, and then literally after that you need to turn on auto trading. Everything pops up like this. It says activated. So if you want to get it activated, you need to send us your account number, and then we'll manually activate your license. Then you just leave it, forget it, and then everything is done. The third thing that I would like to mention about Forex expert advisors is the amount of balance that they require in order to give you the most amount of profits. So for example, for Gold EA Incubator, guys, the minimum deposit is $1,000. That actually makes the robot work. Otherwise, it doesn't work properly, and there's a very high chance that it goes out of functionality. So like, it's not. Yeah, for Gold EA Incubator, it is like the minimum $1,000, but there are some robots that they tell you that you can start with any amount, but there's a very high chance that they blow your account because there's not enough room for the robot to make a decision and take a trade accordingly. So, for example, you can start start an account with $10, with $20, with $50, and expect the robot to make $500 for you in the next month. It doesn't happen, because you need to have that fund in order to give the robot some room so it can work perfectly for you with no issues, and it can do whatever it wants to do based on its strategy. So this is a very important question that I just answered, because there's so many people reaching out to me asking me how much the minimum deposit is, how can I get access to that, how does it work, and this is exactly how it works, guys. You can check it out yourself. You can just you don't have to turn it off, because this Gold EA Incubator robot is actually connected to a live server. So it means that a developer and trader are behind the system, and they actually control everything, and they only trade during London session. That's the beauty of it, because there are some robots that are super scalper robots, and when you turn them on, they just start taking orders like left and right. They're just taking orders, buy and sell all the time, and they close them in profit. I'm not saying they're not profitable, but they're super scalper robots. But a Gold Incubator is not like that. It takes 2 trades, 4 trades, sometimes 1 trade, and then it's done for the day. And that's how we could gain consistent profits over time in less than a month by 8%, 8.22%, $822 in less than a month, and I didn't do anything. So if you like to see similar results, guys, feel free to check out smarteaincubator.com, or you can personally reach out to me. I'll answer all of your questions. If you have any question regarding that, if you have any questions regarding trading strategies, whatever that is kind of filling up your minds and you want to kind of get it answered, feel free to reach out to me. And I also encourage you to join our free Facebook group. And I put out so many contents on a daily basis, guys, and the link is exactly below in the description. And you know how to grab your license if you would like to, and then after that, send us an email. We'll manually activate your account. So thank you so much for spending time on watching this video, and I look forward to hearing back from you as soon as possible. Have a great day.